Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now in today's video we are going to be adding another hard drive into the Dell computer and we're going to make it into a server. So without further ado, I've already taken screws out, so we'll just pop it out. Yeah, just to the side. So now what we have to do is we have to connect it. So we're going to look for some cables. It looks like there's only two SATA cables though, so what we have to do is we're going to have to take out the one from the DVD drive, or CD DVD drive, and we're going to use that and along with the other cable. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our hard drive, plug it in. Oh, my partner should flip it. Plug it into its place. So you might need to flip the cable. Okay, and we have the power cable. Maybe. Maybe we'll get this power cable plugged in. Maybe. Okay, now the power cable's in. Gotta find a place to put this because it will not fit in here because this is a laptop hard drive, but it's fine. So we'll just shove it down there, I guess. And that should be fine. So now we gotta put the cover back on. So we'll do this cover. Grab our screws, just like this, and we gotta screw it back in. And after this, we will be making a server, actually, making this into a server. So, yeah. Where's the screw hole? Okay, so I'm gonna go get this hooked up then, and then we'll be back.